Continental wake-up call to black and brown humanity. Take a good look at the map. Africa and South America, two of the largest, most resource-rich continents on Earth, stretch wide and deep across the globe. Together, they house over 2 billion people. They overflow with minerals, fresh water, fertile land, biodiversity, natural beauty, and cultural genius. And yet, despite this mass, this wealth, and this human brilliance, they are both dominated, economically, politically, and psychologically, by a smaller, far less populated country, the United States. What makes this possible? The answer is hiding in plain sight. Division. Not geographic, not tribal, not linguistic. Systemic division, the kind deliberately seeded by colonial powers and cemented into our governance structures, borders, flags, national anthems, and constitutions. Africa and South America share a brutal history of European colonization. But even after formal independence, the legacy of fragmentation remains. A fragmentation so entrenched that it prevents black and brown nations from acting as one. The real system of control. The colonizers may have handed us our flags and national titles, but they never left. They simply evolved. Today they rule not with chains, but through proxy leadership, economic coercion, and the invisible cage of national identity. The very leaders we elect often become defenders of that colonial order, obsessed with national sovereignty yet uninterested in continental strength. Why? Because true unity threatens their power. Uniting would mean accountability. It would mean redistribution of resources. It would mean shared vision, shared wealth, shared progress. But for self-serving leaders, that kind of integration would expose just how little they've built and how much they've stolen. So instead, they surrender our sovereignty to multinational corporations. They sign secret deals. They invite the colonizer back in the name of foreign investment and job creation, while the people labor in near slavery and cannot even afford bread. National pride is used like a spell to blind the masses while the elite sell off land, ports, rivers, forests, and oil. Our countries are ruled by satellite leaders, signals bouncing from Washington, London, Brussels, and Paris. And the masses? We get slogans, poverty, national holidays, empty flags waving over empty stomachs. What's stopping us? It's not size, it's not distance, it's not lack of resources, it's not culture, it's mental borders, carved into us by colonizers, reinforced by corrupt leaders, protected by constitutions written in colonial tongues. Unity is not a dream. It is a threat to the ruling class, to the foreign interests who profit from our weakness. That's why it has never been on